Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the axles in the rear end. Now what we're going to do is we're putting the disc brake kit available from Caddy on here. And so one difference on the rear end is we're eliminating the backing plates of the drum brakes. If you're using your drum brakes, this is where you would put the backing plate on. Instead, right now, we're going to use this piece. You're going to see with the Caddy kit, it has an engraving on it and a machine side. The machine side is going to go against the axle right here. Now do also, the orientation that we do have the rear end upside down. So you want to have the two reliefs with the holes for the calipers towards the rear of the car and cocked towards the top of the car. Once again, we're showing you right now with it upside down. So right here, we've got that, we've got our studs going through, and we're going to go ahead and put the rear end in. Now you'll notice on the axles, we have new bearings pressed on it, also available from Caddy, and also the seals. And this right here is going to go right up against the bracket, and the shape of them is going to be the same as the shape on the rear end. So that flat spot is going to go towards the top of the rear end. Also too, it's a good time to note that the axles are two different lengths in this here car. So right now, we are working on the passenger side, which is the longer axle.